Yeah. Lucky Bonnie, hello. Thank you for tapping, guys. Thank you for tapping. On the lane you cry, and I'll make you cry. Dylan, hello. 18. I am 18 years old. Maybe, I don't know how to say. I'm half Korean and half Philippine. I Filipino. But I don't know how to speak Tagalog. Yeah, I am half Korean. You don't believe me? You don't believe me, Dylan? I am half Korean. Your my dad is Korean and my mom is Filipino. Homba, hello. Oh my god, thank you, Maru. I hope you support my luxury car, guys. I will message you today if you support my luxury car. I need you like water like me. Christian, hello. Tama, hello. Mom, chocolate tea. What do you mean? Chocolate oil? Chocolate bar? I need you like water like 25 ata yun, I think. I don't know. But I think I don't know how to sign. Yeah, because I don't know how to type English. Naruto, hello. I need you. Bonnie, hello. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good morning. I don't know how to strike or maybe I think. Yeah. GB, hello. Big break, hello. 1, 2, shall we? Hi, 1, 2. You are on you. ID. You are on you. I will see someday. Big man, hello. Big man. Typhoon. I don't know how to think. Like, it's a breathing monsters, I think. I don't know how to think. Hi, big man. Sorry. I need you like water, like. I hope you support my luxury car, guys. Luxury car manifesting. Danny, you like water, like sunshine. Nabababag. Shall we nabababag? Nabababag, I don't know. I need you like water, like this. I need boyfriend. Boyfriend. Simon, hello. BCC, hello. Big man, shall we? Can you Nanny, how you? Matthew, hello. Rose color of blue, I think. Nag-iba yung pink. Good morning, love. You're not my love. I need you like water, like BCC, hello. I'm gonna end my life